right because you swinging left and you're gonna go that way. Yeah, that's okay.
So after you get everything out, what you want to do, you want to remove the Phillips right here. This is small Phillip. It's number 3. 1, 2, 3. Number 3 Phillip, which means it's a small Phillips like that. And just take that out. All right, I got it out. So put it here. Make sure it went all the way in. And you don't need this one right here. You just put this 2 in. So we're gonna need to remove this vent out. So in order to do that, you're coming over here, pry this up like that, or break them. It doesn't matter because they don't need that piece no more. Right there, kind of push them out. A finger on the bottom, kind of push it. See that? So be careful, don't poke yourself. Like that. And be careful with this too. You can break this piece. So right here, I just pulled it out like this. And there's another one right there on that side. It's kind of hard to do. One like that. So once you get it out, you're coming over here. You'll do the same thing. Squeeze it out so you can go in both ways. Kind of hard to, don't break anything. Right there. That's it. Basically push it. Oh, damn, I thought that'd be the wrong one. And make sure all of these are fitted in like that, and then you can be able to push that in easy. I'm talking about easy. I don't want to break anything myself. This is my first time doing this model. I have to be careful also. Make sure it's clipped in. So basically, like I was saying, like the same thing as over here, you start and do it over here. And then the problem with this one is pretty tight. I would usually open it like this. Make this open right here from here. Because it is really tight right there. This is what it's supposed to look like when it's done. And now what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be installing the backup camera and everything else. Well, actually, I need to run the Bluetooth. So run the Bluetooth, it's going to be from here. I'm not going to do that yet because I'm going to do the camera. A customer, what? A customer asking me to put the camera right here. So I don't know yet. I'm going to open it up. I'm going to see. I'm gonna pry this out. It's just using a door trim remover right here. Oh, that's a Velcro. Somebody must have changed something right there. I know this is just a clip right there. You pry it one right there. You see that clip right there at the bottom. It's all clipped, but don't break it. Just pry it from top to bottom and keep going like that. So as you can see, all this clip right there. Make sure all this clip is back on here instead of on here, because if it stay on there, it won't close right. Now I'm trying to figure out that holes that we're looking at. It's right there. Look pretty difficult, but I'm gonna try to make it work somehow. I'm gonna have to use a lot of. It's gonna be some skills. So if this is too hard for you, what I would recommend is to put it over here. But since this guy is an IT guy, or what, not an IT installer, he don't want it right there because he be going to a new build and all kinds of mud and everything. He doesn't want right there, so he asked me if I can try to do it right there. So I don't like it, but I have to make it work somehow. Man, see, you try to make the customer happy. I mean, I literally can take this 10mm out, but then I had to take these out, and it's too much. So I'm gonna have to try to cut the hole in there first, that hole right there. I'm making 2 videos at the same time. So I got the Ram, and then I got this ProMaster City, and I'm gonna show you that what I'm gonna be doing. I had to test this out, make sure everything works before I keep going. So I'm gonna plug this power wire. Make sure when you when you lay it down here, nothing sharp underneath of it. I'm gonna start doing it by putting the antenna. I'm gonna plug this in, the main power source. Okay, once we got that in, we're gonna use this piece right here, this pink and blue, to one of these right there. And now what we got is the camera right there. You're gonna have to plug this no matter what on here anyway. That's why they plug this in already for you. Plug this for if you want to hook up like an amplifier, or on this case we're going to hook up the mic right there. I might not have to put the mic, because what happened is a lot of car like this, it's got that road noise if it's too loud. So if I have the mic over there, it should be fine. So let's keep it that way for now, and if the customer complain about it, then we're going to run the microphone right here. We're gonna put down here and run it all the way over there, but I'm not gonna do that yet because of this type of car, because one of my buddy told me you don't need to. So let's keep going. And then this two plug right there for the USB, I'm gonna run it. I'm gonna shove the wire from here going out here, so the customer can just grab it and plug the charger or anything they want to do. So I got this two plug. I'm gonna leave it right here. I'm gonna make sure everything works first. Point right here, you're gonna have to put in the GPS right here. Do the GPS. Make sure it's tight. And key 1, key 2, we might not need to because it's got a CAN bus already. And well, let's see. So this camera right there, if you got a factory camera, just plug this to this camera right here. It should work. But if you don't, you're gonna have to do what I'm be doing next. So let's go and try it. Mention about this clip. So the clip, the best way to do it is to take this what you call this? I forgot the name of it. Some sort of pin clip remover or something. You pry it like this and tilt it out like this and pull it out. That's the easiest way. If not, you're gonna hurt your finger. So be careful doing that. Now what you're gonna be doing, you wanna put some sort of cloth or some sort of anything you wanna put soft so you don't damage the screen. So we're pulling this thing out. We're gonna clip it in. It just plug and play, y'all. Make sure it's going in the holes. And by saying that, you wanna go in like that. Make sure this is up right here where my finger's at. Click it in, and then this thing gonna move down and lock. See that? So now if you want to use this still, what you want to do, you're going to need a tape for this one. You don't have to plug this one right here in right there. So we're going to remove one of them out, one of these USB down here. So right here we're going to plug it in, and then I'm going to just tape them. Once you're done taping it, you'll put this thing back. The reason we do this one, because you want the customer might want to use existing aux somewhere that's, I don't know where it's at. Haven't checked it yet. And your antenna should plug to the white one. I got is I made a hole right here. This I didn't break this, but customer should know that. Right here, I put the camera right here. I didn't adjust it. I put the screw right here. I kind of bend it down a little bit. I haven't put this one yet. I want to make sure everything works and then it look right. And I'm gonna put the duct seal over here. And the hardest part is to run the wire from here down here. I mean, this is easy part. Then you got to go through this booth. So what I do, I don't know if this hook is long enough. Yeah, this is long enough. I'm gonna need WD-40. I'm gonna have to push it down, push this down and pull it out. Actually, I'm gonna do this. You can see I make it about 2 feet tall right there, because it's gonna have to pass this. Then I had pulled only one wire and easily, and I'm gonna poke it through like right that up there, and I'm gonna spray the W40 later. I'm gonna need a gloves. I use latex gloves, and then I'm gonna pull this wire I don't know which wire I should pull, but I'm gonna pull this right here. Oop, not that one. This one. I spray a lot of the WD-40. It's dirty, guys. Make sure you wear some gloves because it's not easy to clean. Just go easy right there. There you go. And then once you get it out there, you're gonna go right here and grab it over here. So this one, we're gonna have to run the wire straight through there. I mean, I don't have any other way. I don't think it's gonna go through there. So we're gonna have to push it through there. Yeah, through this hole in there. Master of the sound chamber guy, give me a hand right there where we're gonna put the wire through. We ran the wire. We was thinking of run right there, making a hole over there, but that doesn't look
make your
easy.
hole right there.
Okay.
And just tuck it right down through it, all the way through the gap.
Why don't I just come over here and tuck it over there?
Yeah, I mean, you can tuck it there too. Yeah. Either way.
Cause I might. Yeah,
on top of that railing. Yep.
Because we don't have no room. We wish we can go through here. That'd be
get through there. Yeah. So I'll put a hole right here.
Yeah.
That way you pop your wire out, just tuck it up, up and through there, all the way down through there. Now over there.
Oh, what's this?
Nah, it's not a hole.
No. What? Nah, it's too small. I don't want to go through the roof.
That's what I'm saying. Put your hole right there.
Yeah, let me see how far we got.
No,
Cause you put the hole, man, it go through the car. I'll be paying.
It ain't through the car.
Okay. You know it's not easy to with this thing right here.
Yeah, it is.
Right here, maybe.
That's what I just said. Put it right there.
Okay. And the wire through there. I keep it long enough, and my buddy running that. We're gonna use a zip tie or something, or somehow look at his profession. So we're gonna try to do it right here. Oh, I got some. You know what I got? I got some duct seal. We can just seal right there.
That's what I normally do.
Yep. So we get duct seal that. Apply some duct seal right here. Right there. Up. Because we don't have any other tools to, we can use zip tie, but then you can't tie it right because they need that. So duct seal will seal that good, and it doesn't dry it up. It just stay like that. So he tried to make it look good, even though this thing is solid metal. But anyway, he's doing a great job for me. Give me a hand. It's my buddy. My buddy, what's your name, my buddy?
Crazy Rich Asian is my name.
Oh, he's Asian. He think he's Asian right there. You see that color skin? He Asian, black Asian. You know there's a black Asian, right?
Yeah, well, you know what? Good for them. Gives him just as much pleasure as they're giving me over the last 60 years.
Android, we don't have to hook up the ground. I learned it from this guy right here. So he's gonna pull a little bit more because I do need some more out here to wire. Go ahead and pull. Yep. I just want to show you. That's why I didn't want to. So I got enough wire to go. You can pull some more though.
Okay.
Yeah. Yep, that's good enough.
Okay.
Yep. And then we're gonna stick some duct seal on there, and then I'm gonna run it to the radio. The reason being because you guys installing this, you don't have an extra wire you screwed. I do, so I don't care. So the wire right there, I can pull some more. Can I pull it? Nope, too tight. Yep. What we got right here, we want to use the brown wire next to the red right there. It's on the black side, the ground side, then red, and then brown. That's the reverse wire. We're gonna hook up this red wire, tap it to this brown right here, and then you're gonna hook up this yellow that say camera and plug it in and tape it up. I'm not gonna put everything in yet, so I plug everything, the jacks, the wire, and everything. I'm gonna turn it on. Wait for a second and put on reverse. Oh, where's the line at? Oh, okay. So when you make a turn, it moves. Oh, why it move to the left and right? I think we need to adjust that. We start this thing.
Oh yeah, that's in the camera settings.
Yeah.
That cost. Oh, there's no monthly cost.
Oh, but there's a bunch of...
See that?
Put on reverse. Whoop. Am I right?
No, yeah, that's right. Cause you swing your left and you're gonna go that way. Yeah, that's okay.
Oh yeah,
Yeah,
that's
she go
right.
down switch
Woo,
there.
I thought I got it wrong. But yeah, that's perfect right there.
To school. This year I'm going back too. At My Computer Career. They'll help me get the skills and certifications that can get.
I don't know the static. Oh, you got it. That's weird.
Press and hold it.
Why the static so much static?
That part I don't know. No one pull it outside.
Yeah, let me pull it outside.